This is Mamuni. Thank you so much for being Amar Baba Ma.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. The 53rd Goods and Services Tax, that is GST Council meeting on 22nd June 2024 happened in New Delhi nearly 8 months after the last one. The meeting was chaired by the newly appointed Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. This is the GST Council's first meeting after the 2024 Lok Sabha election. In this video, I'm going to discuss about key recommendations of 53rd GST Council meeting in detail and in simple words. So let's get started. The first GST update or first GST amendment 2024 is GST Council recommends waiving interest and penalties for demand notices issues under Section 73 of the CGST Act, that is Central Goods and Services Act, that is the cases not involving fraud, suppression or willful misstatement, etc. for the fiscal years 2017-18, 2018-19 and 2019-20 if the full tax demanded is paid up to 31st March 2025. Before explaining this in simple words, let me tell you the meaning of some words so that you can understand it very easily. The waiving interest and penalties means the removal of all interest and penalties charges. Suppression means non-declaration of facts or information which a taxable person is required to declare in the return or statement or report. Willful misstatement means suppression of facts or information to evade tax. Now let me explain. Considering the difficulties faced by the taxpayers during the initial years of implementation of GST, the GST Council recommended waiving interest and penalties. In other words, removal of all interest and penalties charges for demand notices issued under Section 73 of the CGST Act for the fiscal years 2017-18, 2018-19 and 2019-20 in cases where the taxpayer pays the full amount of tax demanded in the notice up to 31st March 2025. Please note, taxpayers who pay the full amount demanded in the notice by 31st March 2025 will only benefit from this waiver interest and penalties. Please remember, waiver interest and penalties is applicable for demand notices under Section 73 of the CGST Act for the fiscal years 2017-18, 2018-19 and 2019-20 in cases where the taxpayer pays the full amount of tax demanded in the notice by 31st March 2025. This is very important. Please note, the waiver interest and penalty does not cover demand of erroneous refund of interest or penalty or both. To implement this, the GST Council has recommended insertion of Section 128A in CGST Act 2017. Insertion means the act of putting something inside something else or adding something, especially words, to something else. I hope you understood and everything is clear now. I could have easily discussed many more GST updates in this video, but you won't be able to understand all the GST amendments 2024 or the new change in GST in one video only. So I'll make more short videos on GST amendments 2024. So please don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your precious time. I sincerely hope this was helpful. I'll catch y'all again in the next video. Till then, keep rising and keep shining. Bye bye. Take care, stay safe, and stay blessed always.